Good day, XS1 learners. Our topic for today is towards better health. Today we're talking about towards better health, how to control harmful microorganisms. We've been discussing microorganisms so far. Now, how can we control these microorganisms? Before we say that, what are harmful microorganisms? Harmful microorganisms are organisms that hurt other organisms. That as endoparasite or ectoparasite. They are pathogenic organisms. Harmful microorganisms can be controlled in the following ways: high and low temperature, covering of food, antibiotics, antiseptic, disinfectant, salting, dehydration, sanitation, clearing bushes, isolation of infected person, and eating of balanced diet. Now, this coronavirus is a microorganism, and they've been given guidelines on how to prevent, how to control these microorganisms for not getting for you not being infected with this virus. Now, and for those that have been infected, you isolate them, and for those that are still pure, that are not yet infected, there should be proper sanitation, use disinfectant, and eat balanced diet. You're told to take much water, you're told not to eat cold food, and a lot of guidelines like that for to prevent this virus. And that's an example of what we are going to look at today. Now, how do we control vectors? A vector is an animal which transmits a disease causing organism, pathogen from the victim of that disease to another person. How do we control vectors? Control of mosquito, draining of swamps, clearing bushes around houses, sleeping in room protected by mosquito nets, spray swamp or rooms with insecticide, spray oil on stagnant water so that to block their breathing channel, burying broken pots and empty cans, using insect repellents on the bodies to avoid mosquito from piercing into your body, use of biological control, and use of drugs. How do we control? Another vector is housefly. Spray with insecticide, destruction of breeding materials, keep environment clean at all times, use of poison, bleach, closing of pee toilet, yes, covering of food. So you should ensure you follow this. With this, you'll be able to prevent all these vectors. Another one is black flies. Clearing bushes around houses, fumigation with insecticide, destruction of breeding spots, proper monitoring of water bodies. 5. Use of drugs. Maintenance of good health. How do we maintain good health? Keeping the environment clean is not only the sole responsibility of single individuals. It should be a joint thing, so that everything must be neat. So one person cannot just clean the environment. The tax will be too much to be taxing. It involves the combined efforts of household, community, nations, and the world as a whole. So, ways of maintaining good health in a community: refuse disposal. Ensure you dispose your refuse properly. Sewage disposal. Sewage are liquid waste. Refuse are solid waste. Remember? And this can be sewage. Use pit toilets where physics and urine are passed into deep pit. The use of septic tanks and the likes. Protection of water. Protect your water. Water should be protected through the following: addition of alum to water. We can boil water before drinking. Filter water on cooling. Adding of chlorine to kill microscopic germs. Storage of water in clean containers. Ensure you store your water in clean containers. Health is wealth, they say. Protection of food. Food can be protected with the following method: keep food in refrigerators or deep freezer. Boil or cook raw food properly before eating. There should be inspection of food meant for public consumption, washing of hands before and after eating, avoid the exposure of foods to flies and other microorganisms. Control of diseases. This can be prevented through the following ways: daily sweeping, eating of good food, taking a bath regularly, wearing of clean clothes and neat dress, living in a well ventilated house, cleaning of teeth regularly with toothbrush and paste, doing exercise regularly. I know a lot of people are lazy. Many people are a victim of this, not doing exercise. So ensure you do exercise regularly, brush your teeth properly, wear clean clothes. For those of you that wear dirty clothes, see, it's not good because of diseases. Another one is health organization. These are both local and environmental corporate bodies concerned with the maintenance of good health of the people. They include WHO, which is called World Health Organization. Another one is United Nations Children Education Fund, UNICEF, International Red Cross Society. These are health organizations. The major local health organization in Nigeria is the Nigeria Medical Association. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day. And if you have any question, we can meet in this discussion box in the classroom. Bye.